Hello guys, so today in this video we will learn how to work with TestRact OCR in Java using the TestRact API. Okay, so TestRact is an optical character recognition engine for various operating systems. So we use TestRact OCR to read text from various images. Okay, so we will learn what is TestRact OCR and generally how OCR works. Here in this image, as you see, so we will pass the image as a input data, whether a blurred image, a clear image or anything. So here in this pre-process image data box, so what it will do, it will convert to it grayscale, it will smooth the image, DUSQ or filter the image. Okay. After that, so after on that image, so what it will do, it will detect the words, detect the characters. Okay. After that, it produces a ranked list of candidates based on the trained data set. So which will provide in the set data path. Okay. After that, the post process recognize character, choose best character based on the confidence from previous steps and language data that is passed in the trained data itself. Okay, so also based on the dictionary and grammar rules. Okay, after that we will get our output image. Okay, so there are some of the disadvantage of TestRact OCR. So OCR is limited to only language recognition. Okay, and there are lot more effort that is required to make trainer data of different languages and to implement that. Okay, so now we will let's see an example how to read the text from an image. Okay, so to use it, so firstly we have to download the test4j API. Okay, so I'll provide you the jar file for that. So we have to download that. So we will use the trainer data from that jar. Okay, so now we will create an Eclipse project so to see whether how it's work. So now I'm creating a class that is TestRact OCR. Okay, okay, so I'm creating a main class. Okay, so we are currently we will do it by Selenium. So I'm using Selenium. Okay, so to get the image at a runtime and we will parse that image. Okay, so I'm initializing the WebDriver instance. Okay, let me import this. Okay, we will set the Chrome driver path. Okay, let me copy that path. Okay, fine. Now driver equal to new Chrome driver. So we are working currently using Chrome driver. Okay, we will initialize this, import this. Okay, okay, so what we will do, we will navigate to a site to take out a screenshot. Okay, for to extract the image from that screenshot. Okay, for a particular element. So driver dot navigate to, so suppose we will navigate to a particular tutorial point site. Let us copy this path. Fine. Okay, we will maximize the window. Window dot maximize. Fine. Okay, what we will do, we will now copy the screenshot into a some file. So let us make as image equals to driver dot find element by dot maybe CSS selector. Fine. So what we will do, we will navigate to this site. or let us suppose we will copy this Java tutorials. Okay, copy this one. We will so what we will do, we will copy this Java tutorials screenshot, and we will take a screenshot of this. We will copy this locator. Fine, paste it here. Dot get. Okay, so what we will do, we will store this in a as a output file. Dot get screenshot. So make sure that you are using a Selenium version 4. So I'm using a Selenium alpha version. So the screenshot for a particular element, this feature is only available in a Selenium 4. So what will be the target? The target will be output file. So output type would be file. Okay, fine. Nice. Now we will store this image in a some particular path. So what we will do, we will create a path for that. System dot get property in this user directory, user.dir. Okay, now plus that is screenshot. So we will copy that in a screenshot folder, this screenshot. So make a dummy folder. So to store that, so store the screenshot in that folder. Screenshots slash, so name it as image dot png. Fine. Now what we will do, we will copy this image into this path using file handler. File handler dot copy dot copy from this image to this file file path. Okay, fine. Now we have copied that file into a some folder. Okay, now the works of the test step start. What we will do, we will initialize this class iTestRect. Okay, iTestRect. So image, okay, make it testRect equals to new testRect. Fine. So I have imported that already. Now the first thing that we need to do is we have to set the data path for the train data. Okay, so for that I'll provide you a zip file. So you extract that and provide a path here in this location image, that is testRect. Okay, copy this dot set data path. So let me copy the data path from my local file. So where you have extract that zip file, so make sure that you are providing the path for this test data. So here there are some train data file like english.train data. Okay, so make sure that you have provided a path for that test data folder. Okay, now what we will do, we will implement the do OCR method on that file, on that screenshot file. Okay, that is text equals to dot do OCR, and the file name is this new file from that path. So the path that we have mentioned above, so we will provide the path. Okay, now we will print that, print the text. Okay, fine. What we will do, we have saved that. Okay, so that is text. We will run this as a Java application, see what's the output. Save it. Okay, our Chrome Drive session has been launched. Okay, the Java tutorials application site also has been launched. Now, what it will do, it will take the screenshot of a particular element that we have mentioned in our coding section. Now we will see. Okay, so the image that we have taken is not a clear image. So, okay, so that's why it is not able to pass the data. So still now we haven't do the image processing. Okay, so basically for a noisy image or a for, so what we will get, we get a noisy output for a noisy image. So for that we need to perform some processing on image, also called as image processing. So for now we have taken the element for this folder. We will copy the XPath for this Java tutorials. Okay, copy XPath. Fine. Just remove this CSS selector by dot XPath. Okay, fine. We will copy this. So here now what we are using. So we are using a now a clear image, clear text. So it will extract this Java tutorials. Okay. Now again we will run as Java application. Okay, so the Chrome driver session has been launched. Now it will navigate to tutorials point site. After that, take the screenshot. Okay, maximize the window and take the screenshot. Now store that screenshot in a particular location in a screenshot folder. After that, it will do the optical character recognition on that image. Okay, let's check the output. Okay, see, it has taken the screenshot. After that, it has passed the image, and now we have got the output. It is Java tutorial. Okay, so previously what we have done, we have set a path of a noisy image. So that's why we are getting some noisy output. Now we have provided a path locator for a clear image. So we are getting a clear text Java tutorial. So for that, so to deal with the noisy image, we need to perform some image processing. So we will do that in our next video. Till then, we are fine with the clear image. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.